Hey everyone! In this video, you will see how to turn Podia's sales data into real-time social proof pop-up that builds trust. Let's dive in. Let's install the WiserNotify Pixel Code. Go to your WiserNotify Pixel install page. Click Copy to get the WiserNotify Pixel Code. Now log into your Podia account. Click on your profile icon and go to Settings. Scroll down to Analytics section. Edit third-party code. Now paste the WiserNotify Pixel Code in the website tracking code box. Save the changes. Now go to your site and hard refresh the page a few times to make sure there are no cache issues. Now go back to the WiserNotify app. Click on Verify Pixel Installation to make sure your Pixel Code is detected successfully. Now let's create the sales activities notification. Go to Add Notification. If you want to show sales notifications, then use the sales activity notification. Enter your website URL and click Create. In the Design section, customize the text, color, and position of the notification. In the Display section, configure where and when the notification should be shown. In the Data Source section, click Add Integration and create a Zapier connection. Use the WiserNotify Zapier app to pull sales data from your Podia store into WiserNotify. Click here to see the step-by-step guide. Once the connection is successful, select it as the data source. Note: notifications will only appear if the selected data source has at least one entry. After integration, once you have a new sales, it will show sales activities. If you encounter any issues, refer to our troubleshooting option or contact our live chat support for assistance. That's it. You're all set to display real-time payments as social proof pop-up.